This is what we've been waiting for.
Our home has a heart.
We've been out of town for a few weeks, so we haven't been back to the house in a while. And the house looks totally different, and it feels like it's turning into a home. Before we show the house in its current state, we wanted to remind everybody what the house used to look like, because sometimes I forget. You know, this wall here no longer exists. Those doors have now been replaced. And that's where the fireplace currently lives. This was right before we went out of town, so the plastering had been done. So we hadn't shown this in the previous update, but we went to the house one more time before heading out of town. The fireplace, as you can see, has arrived, and now here we are. Office nook is coming along. You can see the light fixture where we're gonna install a lamp. Shelves have been installed. The water feature here, we're gonna have to install a door, some kind of cabinet for that. So now the room is prepped and ready for primer, and I was a little bit disappointed when we first walked in because everything's all taped up, as you can see, and I wanted to see what the tile looked like. I know that it will just bring all this room together. Another thing I don't think I showed is that the baseboards are now done, or you can see it a little bit, but those are also covered up. These are completely new shelves. All the old wood that was there has been removed, and this is also one of the new windows that's been installed. I'm really happy with how it came out. Clean and simple. This is the new window door that heads to the terrace. You'll get a better view of this door window in the kitchen area, but before we show the new kitchen area, we had to clean up all of this stuff before we went out of town. It took a lot of time, but nice and open area. And now this is what the kitchen currently looks like. Sealed up a bunch of cracks. He put in new lines for lights that we're gonna have hung. He filled in a bunch of cracks that we had in the wall here. Here is where that wood paneling was. Yeah, that had to go. And these are the plans for the new kitchen, where the sink is on the wall to the entrance of the kitchen, and the stove and oven are on the wall where the wood paneling used to be. And here's what one of the new door windows looks like. It's double pane, and I'm really happy with how they came out. It's multifunctional, so it doesn't just open out, you know, it kind of opens up like a typical window here in Italy. And here's the old door for reference. We still have windows to install. This one's the one upstairs in one of the bedrooms. So we were really happy with this fireplace, and we wanted to have a fire before we left. It wasn't actually super cold this day, which is hilarious that now that the fireplace is there, it's starting to warm up, but we're just so happy with how this fireplace came out. We had to make one.
It's very, when we bought this house, I didn't think we will have our fireplace, and it's truly a heart of house, a heart of home, and now it's
Real fire, yeah.
real fire, and
To me, out of everything, this to me makes it feel like home, not just a house that we're having worked on. And it's really, really cool to see. One, we weren't planning on having a fireplace, but now that it's here, and I don't know why, I love fireplaces. It's
we
special.
do, and wow, look at this sound, and I'm happy we decided to move kitchen from here because we can enjoy fireplace. Because if here was kitchen, it would be
Yeah, we wouldn't have really much.
yes, where we put the table, where we eat, and now here can be real salotto,
Living room, yeah.
living room with chairs, with a carpet on the ground. We sit down with hot chocolate. We will read our books.
Like always, we are so thankful for everybody who comments and gives us encouraging words or advice and all that other stuff. So we're so close now, we can taste it. I thought maybe we'd be moving in at the end of this month, but I think we probably still have we're about another month away.
Yes.
But I feel patient. I don't feel like we need to rush everything. We're almost there. So I hope you guys stick around to see the final result, or at least the final result when we move in, because it's going to be an ongoing project for sure.
Yes, we have a lot.
Yeah, we have a lot, but at least the final result of from when we bought the house to when we can actually move in and make it a home. So until the next one, ciao.
Ciao.